The birth of AI started with the first mobile phones, from T9 in the 90s to today's smart keyboards. In 1995, a small company in Seattle called TGIC Communications filed a patent for something that seemed simple at the time: software that would guess which word you wanted to type by pressing each key only once. They called it T9 Text on 9 keys. By 1999, T9 was embedded in millions of Nokia, Motorola, and Samsung phones. Nobody called it artificial intelligence back then, but its logic was exactly that. How T9 actually worked. Mobile phones of that era had 12 physical keys. Key 2 mapped to the letters of B, C key 3 to D, E, F, and so on, up to 9WXYZ. Without T9, typing C required pressing 2, 3 times. A simple hello took 13 keystrokes. T9 operated through a disambiguation algorithm. The user pressed each key once for hello. That was 4, 3, 5, 5, 6. The system took this sequence and mapped it against every possible letter combination. The sequence 4, 3, 5, 5, 6 could theoretically correspond to dozens of words. T9 then searched through an embedded lexicon of approximately 60,000 words and returned the real words that matched, ranked by frequency of use. The most common appeared first. This was essentially a rudimentary probability system. Even when 2 words mapped to the same key sequence E, G, good, and home, were both 4, 6, 6, 3, the system decided based on statistical frequency. The technique was called frequency-ranked lexicon. Lookup simple compared to today's models, but at that moment it was the first time a mass consumer product took on the task of interpreting ambiguous input instead of waiting for precise commands. Of course, predictive logic already existed on computers. Spell checkers autocomplete on Unix terminals. Even the Levenshtein distance algorithm that measured how close 2 words were to each other. What made T9 different wasn't the invention of the idea, but its application at massive scale, on a device held in the hands of 2 billion people.